So we will see exactly how the second software works. The First you have to like find out the icon of the second software. The icon will be like blue or green colored icon. So here it is blue colored. So I will just open it. It was open previously, so I will just get it from here. Open it, and after opening, you can see the screen will be like this. So if you open it, then after opening it will ask for the login. Okay, after opening it will ask for the login. You have to just if you are first time logging in, because there will not be any previous history of the software also. So there will not be any previous session because you are freshly logging in into the software. So it will be clear software first time. So whenever if you open next time, then you have to just go into edit, and there will be different options like clear number list, because previously if there is number list already there, then you can clear it up, clear the messages also, clear the previous WhatsApp session also. You have to clear at least the clear WhatsApp session every time whenever you log into it. This is very important. After this, you can see here the status of the software is ready. But in this case, as I have already logged in here, so it shows ready. But in your case, it will show the software is not ready. So you have to just log in first. You can see you have to just log in first. Open WhatsApp. For login, you have to press the open WhatsApp. After you open the WhatsApp, the it will ask for the QR scanning. Just you have to scan with your you have to go into LinkedIn devices of your mobile phone by which you wanted to send the advertising campaign messages. For example, if you wanted to send advertising campaign messages of by your mobile phone with the help of software, then you have to go into your mobile phone, go into WhatsApp, then go into LinkedIn devices. From there you have to link your device or link your WhatsApp with the software. You have to just scan it there. After scanning, you will see all the charts will go into the like will be exported or will be imported into the software, and the screen will be like this. Once the screen is like this, the fully the it is uploaded into the software, then you can see, you can just see the screen, the WhatsApp status goes to not ready to ready, then it becomes green like this, and you have to just minimize that login. After that, you will see different buttons are there. Open WhatsApp, that was we used for the login purpose. Then campaign button is there, then number filter button is there, etc buttons are there. But most frequently used button will be like login. First, every time first you have to go into edit, then you have to clear the previous WhatsApp, clear, then open WhatsApp is the first button. You logged into it. After that, campaign, for making the campaign, you will have to use the number filter. So you have to go into number filter. Once you go into number filter, you can see files, manuals, number generators. Such options are there for import purpose. You can see import means for taking numbers inside into the software. So taking number inside into the software from the laptop, that is the meaning of import. So files means if you already have the people's or patients data, patients contact number into your laptop or into your like any of your files, then you can simply take that data by using the files option. After that, you can see manual option is there. Manual means if you wanted to I will just open it manually, one by one you can just type the numbers with country code. Whenever you go here into the number generator option, you have to write the numbers with country code. 91 is the India's country code, so you have to write all the numbers. 91 blah blah blah, the number will be there. After that you have to enter, then on the second line, then 91 and second number, the 91 and third number. This way one by one numbers will be entered into the software. After this you have to just import them, and then start checking will be there. Okay, that is manual. Means if you are having numbers into your files or your dictionary or any other folder, if you wanted to write it manually into the software, then you can write or type the numbers into software manually, and just send the advertising campaign to them also. Now the number generator is the third option. If you don't have the numbers to send the advertising campaign, if you wanted to generate 500, 700 numbers every day, then this is very important option. Every time when you go into number generator or into this option, then you have to start with 91 as country code. Then for example, I am putting one number, for example one number from Pune. It is 848588 848588 4069. So start number means any number from any area. Like for I already have put this number from Pune area, and if I wanted to find out 500, 700, 1000 contact number at a time, it can extract. Initially you have to extract smaller numbers like 200, 500 numbers, because initially you will be new for this session. So initially go with the smaller number volume. So we will see start number is like this. Likewise from any area, like from Ahmednagar area, Beed, Jalna, Usmanabad, or any other state area, from where the number you can put into this software, and the contact number of those people in that local area, you can find out. The software is intelligent enough to find the local contact numbers. We will see how the robotic processes also goes on with this. I will just make this count as like 50 is written. So we'll you can see 50 is written. So out of if you wanted to give, I will just delete that 50 and we'll make it 500. Okay, we will have to find for example, we find out the 500 numbers, then we will see how it works. Then you have to open then press the OK. Okay, so you can see after you press OK, it will make a number list of 500 in the background. You can see the software has made the list of 500 contact numbers starting with that number, and you can see it is ready to now filter out. There will be different options. You have to press the start checking option. So it will start checking how many numbers are there out of 500, how many numbers are there on the WhatsApp, how many numbers are normal, and how many numbers are of the business WhatsApp. So it will filter out like this. Robotic processes will go on, and intelligently it can find out how the numbers. You can see on the screen how it find out all the numbers, all the WhatsApp number, how it can filter out, and to those filter out numbers you can send the advertising campaign. So we will see how it works. So within some 1 or 2 minutes, you can see it has found out the numbers. It has filtered out the numbers like WhatsApp number. You can see indicator goes on, like out of 500 163 numbers, it has 163 WhatsApp normal WhatsApp number are there, and business WhatsApp number are 16 number. The rest of numbers are non-normal numbers, and red colored numbers are normal numbers, green colored number are WhatsApp numbers. So the right buttons you have to use here. Now in insert country code, we already have inserted country code into it, so you need not necessarily insert country code here. Now clear means if you wanted to clear the extracted number, you can clear. Import to sender, if you wanted to send the contact number for if you wanted to import contact number to send messages, then you can just press the import to sender. So it will ask import all WhatsApp numbers, so you can just select all WhatsApp number. So you have to minimize it. In the background you can see the list of all WhatsApp number like 163. Those were filtered out by using the software. These are the WhatsApp number in that specific area in Pune. Then you can see how it works. Then apart from that, you can see the next part will be the message, how to find the message. Now here you can type your advertising content message once only. It need not necessary to retype message again and again at every time. If you wanted to send the same advertising campaign to all people in your area, the required message you can type just once, sit once, and type the text message here. For example, I will write the hello message, like that it will be. Or you can write your advertising message here, or you can simply write it once and save it for longer. So I will show you how to save that also. Apart from that, you have to like add buttons with message. You have to activate this button also all the time, because yeah, the buttons has to be created. So add buttons with message, you have to activate here. Here you can see you have to activate here the call button title and phone number. Call button title means the call for inquiry, CALL, call for inquiry. If you wanted to generate or done automated numbers or interaction buttons like call for inquiry button, then you have to just write the call button title there, and you have to in front of that you have to write the 81087564440. So you have to write the phone number of your appointment, where you wanted to get the appointment, or where you wanted to get the inquiry. Your dedicated number you have to write there into the software, so that if you want if you send advertising campaign to those 200 300 numbers, then it will be visible, like call for inquiry button will be visible on their advertising campaign there itself. Apart from that, here you can write the title like download our app for more details, and you can like here provide the URL of that your Android application. Here you have to just copy the URL from your previous WhatsApp, or from where even and then you have to just paste it there, so that download our app button will be created there automatically with the help of software. So after this all, just you can save the session also. I'll I will show you how to save. Just before that, I will show how to attach the photos also. you have to just open this right side. You can see right side, these three lines you have to open. Just go into photos and attach the photos. I'll just attach one photo from here. You can see. Likewise, you have to go into the photos. I'll just select one of my advertising photo here. See, one I'll just select that file, and automatically the photo will come here. Then you have to save the campaign forever. If you save the campaign, you have to give the name for that template. For example, sample template 2. I'm writing the name as giving the name as sample template 2. You can see, and I will save. Likewise, you can save or you can close also. Both you can do. After this, you can see import whenever you wanted to get the message saved into the software. You can use the import button here. For example, import button will, if you press the import button, you can see the different templates. Those were available into those are available will be visible here. Just you have to select the template and import the message by using the import button here. So it is already written the message, so it may not show the template button. After this, you have to make one time setting also into the software. So we'll see what is this one time setting. The last button, this is very important. The first button in which you can log in. The last button, it is setting, and most important is that every time you have to go into edit, and you have to always whenever you start with the new session, you have to clear up WhatsApp of previous session. So we will see in the we'll go into settings. In settings, there will be different setting types like connection, keep it as normal, sending setting. Then you have to open the sending setting, wait between it should be previously 3, then you have to make it 5 second, and then you have to activate here active sleep between the sending. Means if you are sending messages, it may show 25 messages here, but you can make it 10 messages or 8 messages here. I'll just make it 10 messages. After the software sends out 10 messages, it will go for sleep like 15 seconds. Because if you send out your advertising campaign along with your before after images, the messages has to go smoothly, so the sleep is required. Means when you send the messages 10 messages, automatically the software will go into sleep mode for 15 seconds. After that, it will restart, and again it will keep sending the messages. It will go on in cycle with the 10 messages and 15 seconds. The cycle will go on repeating. After that, you can see a friendly sending will be there. In friendly sending, in your screen it will be clear screen, it will be blank screen, it will be. So you have to add the contact numbers of people those are already in your contact. Means those contact numbers you already have saved into your mobile number by which you are sending the advertising campaign. For example, in my contact number, like contact list, I have put at 1087 that number, 877 that third number, fourth number. One by one, you can add the numbers into left column. Then the reason I will explain why to add these numbers. If you wanted to send the advertising campaign smoothly to the 200-300 people without blocking your number, then you need to write. It is very compulsory to write 4 5 people's contact number, those are already in your contact list, so that the software will be able, the WhatsApp will be able to send your advertising campaign to unknown people as well as to the known people. It will also send messages, so that uh, overall the original WhatsApp will detect that the software is sending advertising campaign to known as well as to the unknown people, so it cannot detect that you are doing the like bulk messaging or bulk advertising campaign you are running. The software will not, like WhatsApp will not be able to find out. So in order to smoothly send out the messages, you just need to like put the contact number of people those you already have saved into your mobile numbers by which you are going to send the advertising campaign, because these people will also receive the hi hello message once you start the advertising campaign. That is very important. If you do not, or if you miss out these, your number may block out. So you it is very necessary, it is most necessary to write the numbers here. Okay, after this you can see ignore this message, add a common message to these numbers, like common account, common WhatsApp number. You have to ignore this message, like you have to put the add, you have to press the add, just you can see add, and like write the message like ignore this message and okay, then the message will go inside your software. And like likewise, whenever you send the advertising campaign to unknown people, then the software will will also keep on sending ignore this message to your known contact numbers. The known contact numbers may be from your colleague, from your assistants, those are working in your office, so that they will also get ignore this message software testing, or ignore this message, or hello or hi, such small message they will also get. And that is very necessary, because whenever you send the advertising campaign to in bulk size like 200 300, then you have to send the advertising in between, the software will keep sending hi hello or ignore this message to your known contact number also, so it will not be blocked by the WhatsApp. So don't worry, just it will be one time setting. Just like put the numbers of known people, those you have saved your contacts in your contact list here, and here write the message for them like, hi hello you can write also, ignore this message you can write also. And likewise you have to prepare the setting sending settings. Okay, after this you can close this, and you can see I'll just there will be schedule send also, you can write the date and time also, and send now such option will also be there. I'll just start the send now option in front of you, so that you will get the fair idea how it will keep on sending. So send now I have selected, so it will have two like ways again. So you have to just select blind mode always, you have to select the blind mode, so that because blindly we are sending advertising campaign to those people, so you have to select blind mode always, that is very important. And you have to say okay, then you can see on the screen as per your like time cycle, like 5 second, in every 5 second it will keep on sending the messages like 1 2, and it will also automatically reflect on your mobile also, that your mobile will also show that you are sending advertising campaign to these 200 300 people automatically, and it will be reflected in your mobile dedicated mobile number also. So likewise it will go on sending your 200 300 400 new messages every day, and throughout the day you can answer them, or you can respond to your responses from external people, and by using your mobile phone. And throughout the day you can get the new leads, or new people will generate inquiries regarding your product and services, or maybe treatments or services. etc. So this way it will help you out to send the advertising campaign. I will just pause it here. In between you also can pause it out. This way it will show. So you can try it yourself. If there is any any problem, or executive you surely help you out. Always, if there is any stuck, or if there is any problem, then simply just you have to restart with the with your laptop or PC, because you are initially using this. Make sure it is very important that your network should be strong enough, because you are sending advertising campaign to 200, 300 people at a time. You are filtering out so many numbers at a time, so it will require enough connectivity, enough internet connectivity should be there. Then only it will smoothly send out advertising campaign to them also. So try this. If there are any question, or if there are any problem regarding this, our executive will definitely help you out. Thank you for watching.